Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a simple fried rice recipe. So let's just get right into the video, guys. So guys, I just heated up some oil, so I just added some chopped onion, and I'm just going to let this saute for about 2 to 3 seconds. I'm just going to stir it continuously before I introduce the next ingredient, and now I'm going to be adding my blended scotch bonnet pepper. I sort of wanted my fried rice, or want my fried rice to be a little bit spicy. So yes, I'm just using blended scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to stir fry this for another 1 minute before I add my mixed veggies. Guys, I got this mixed veggies from the supermarket. I think it's affordable and it's quite okay. So I'm adding some habanero peppers, chopped green habanero peppers, and I'm just going to stir fry. I sort of like my veggies to be a little bit crunchy, so I'm just going to stir fry this for a minute or two, and then we will start seasoning our sauce. My veggies have been frying for like a minute, so now I'm just going to add some curry powder. I'm adding some thyme and rosemary, and I'm just going to stir fry this again for about 5 seconds before introducing the next ingredients. Now guys, I'm adding some seasoning cubes to it, and also I'm just crushing some seasoning cubes. I'm going to stir this. I'm adding some fried shrimps and a little bit of salt to taste. So yeah, I'm adding some sesame oil as well. I sort of like sesame oil a lot. So I'm just going to stir fry this for about 2 seconds, and our sauce is ready, and I'll just set that aside while we boil our rice. For my rice, guys, I'm using meat stock. I'm just adding some salt to it. I'm just going to cover this and let it come to a boil. And once it has come to a boil, now I'm going to add my basmati rice. I'm using basmati rice for this recipe. I also added a little bit of blended scotch bonnet pepper to it as well. So I'm just going to cover this and let it cook. Right now, guys, our rice is already ready. You can see that it's fluffy and it's ready. So I'm just going to add the sauce into the fried rice, and I am going to stir to combine and ensure that the sauce incorporates with the fried rice properly. Guys, look how colorful our fried rice looks right now. I kind of like how my fried rice looks. I hope you guys like it as well. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to share this video, leave a comment down below, and hit the thumbs up button for me. Thank you so much for all your support, and until I see you in my next video, guys. Bye.